Hi, Quick Fox here. Okay, so meron tayo ditong bagong dating na running shoes from Onke. This is their Chi 2 model. Okay, so naghahanap talaga ako ng kapartner nitong max cushion nila ng running shoes. Ito makapal na malambot. Very comfortable for easy runs, long runs, and recovery runs. Malambot talaga siya na makapal. Okay, pero naghahanap ako na daily trainer na pwedeng pang mabilisan, pang speed intervals, na pwedeng rin pang daily trainer, yung pwedeng pang easy runs, recovery runs, and long runs din at the same time na magaan. Okay, so ito yung Onke Chi 2. So ito na kaya, okay, na magandang partner. Mamaya, tatakbo natin, samahan nyo ko. And then, itong bubuksan natin para lang makita natin yung features and details. Mabilisan lang. So, pag nag-order kayo ng Onke, ganito ang dadating sa inyo. And then, may libreng socks. Quality na socks. May ganito, may card. Mabilisan lang to kasi tatakbo natin ha. By the way, German brand to ha. So, may mga details yung nakalagay German. Parang hindi to. Yan, may German flag. Sa kabilang side, German flag din. Ayan, okay, yan yung size. And this is size 45, okay, US 10. By the way, ito, yung luma ko, and ito, you follow your US size. Alamin yung US size nyo sa sizing ng Onke ha. Alamin yung US size nyo sa ibang shoes. And then, check nyo sa chart nila kung ano yung equivalent ng US size nyo sa EU nila. And then, you get that size. Baka para hindi kayo magkamali. And then, may ganito, may mga nakalagay na features niya, although naka-German siya, so translate nyo na lang. Kung marunong kayong mag-German, interpret nyo na lang sa iba. Okay, and then yung plastic niya with a German flag din. Okay, yan, para makita nyo lang, yung German flag. Okay, anyway, so ito, magaan siya. Again, I'm looking for a daily trainer from Onke. Magaan dapat ang daily trainer na soft and comfortable for easy runs, long runs, and responsive and bouncy enough ang midsole niya and light enough yung buong shoes for faster paces, for faster intervals. Pwede nyo ring, ideally, ang daily trainer, pwede natin gamitin kung ayaw natin ng ibang shoes, isang shoes lang gusto natin. Ideally, ang daily trainer, pwede natin i-race. Okay, short distance race, lalo sa mga beginners, ayaw ng madaming shoes. Okay, so ito, we'll test these shoes. Okay, and mamaya tatakbo natin. Pakita ko lang malapitan sa inyo yung shoes. Okay? So, may naka-indicate dito sa ilalim, 30mm and 36mm. Sukatin natin. Okay. Eksaktong 30mm. So, tama yung naka-etch dito na 30mm. Makapal yan ha. 30mm is makapal para sa mga ganitong category na shoes na price niya ganito. Makapal siya. So, maganda. Sulit. Okay, 36mm. Yes, 36mm. So, 6mm drop siya. So, pwede siyang pang heel, pwedeng pang midfoot strikers. Okay, this is size 45, US 10. Again, I followed my US size 10 ha. Okay, 270 since may ganito, hindi ko pa matatanggal ngayon, wala ko pang gupit. Siguro nasa mga 10 grams to. So, 260 grams for size US 10. Okay, so, yan. So, pakita natin ulit malapitan. So, unang-unang magandang nakita ko sa kanya is very, very breathable yung uppers niya. Yung material ng ginamit niya, para siyang first time ko nakakita ng ganitong material na ginamit sa uppers. Okay, parang may pattern siya na ganun-ganun. Okay, wavy, hindi ko may describe. Parang web na hindi ko may describe. Pero, maganda yung hipo niya. And sa loob, okay, same yung loob. Okay, so wala siyang ibang layer. And very see-through siya. See-through talaga siya. Kitang-kita ko yung ilaw from this side going there. And mukhang breathable. Medyo makapal yung foam niya sa likod and sa tongue. Okay, and then may runner's loophole. So, pwede natin customize yung lacing natin. And for my experience sa Onke na ibang shoes, makapit. Okay, makapit to, makapit. And full rubber yung coverage nito. Kaya very promising to be very durable, grippy, perfect, or good for daily trainer. Okay? Kasi almost every day natin gagamitin ng daily trainer. Kaya dapat very, very durable yung ilalim. Yun. So, again, we'll try this one out. I will do progression run. Check natin from easy run, moderate pace run to fast pace run, sprints, kung ano yung magiging experience ko dito. Kung this will pass as a daily trainer for me na within the good, magandang budget. Check niyo yung price dyan sa Yellow Basket. And then, by the way, may ibang colors to. Check nyo na lang. Magaganda yung ibang colors dito. Yung color white niya, maganda din. Okay, so, lalabas na tayo. Tatakbo na natin. Okay, let's go! Okay, so, ito na. Okay. Hindi siya snug fit. So, pwede siya sa mga malalapad na paa. And pwede rin yung gamitin yung mga makakapal na medyas. Okay, and then, sinunod ko yung US size ko. Tamang-tama yung size. May 1 inch or isang thumb na space sa harap. And yung feel niya, it's a classic 6mm drop feel. May konting angat sa heel. So, maganda yung feel niya. And maganda yung rolling niya. Smooth from heel to toes. Yan, may rockers sa harap. Yan, medyo nagpo-forward ako. Okay, and then pagtayo ko, hindi siya sobrang lambot. So, lumulubog ng konti yung foam. Yung midsole, may konting lubog. So, I feel stable. Sinusupport niya yung weight ko. Tamang-tama yung lambot niya. Hindi siya sobrang lambot. And hindi rin sobrang firm. Okay? Push ko yung likod, yung heel. Malambot yung heel. Very fast ang rebound. Yung midfoot, makapal and soft. Okay? I can really feel yung thickness ng midsole niya all around. So, consistent yung lambot, harap, likod. Okay, so, okay siya. Ano siya, very thick yung midsole niya. Midsole niya, very responsive, soft, and ang bilis ng rebound. No? Ayan, ang bilis ng rebound niya. Makapit siya. Yan ang kapit, oh. Ang kapit niya, yung ilalim niya. Okay, so ngayon, we'll do slow run, walk muna, walk, slow run, moderate pace run, and then fast-paced run or sprint. Okay? Let's go. Okay, so walk muna tayo. Okay, masarap sa walking. Malambot yung sa heel to midfoot. Very comfortable for walking. Okay, next we'll do 6 minutes 30 seconds pace to 5 minutes 30 pace. Okay, ready? Mas lumambot na yung midsole niya kasi mas malakas na yung impact. Mas mabilis na rin. Ang ganda. Malambot. Still very stable yung midsole sa landing sa heel and midfoot. I can really feel na makapal yung midfoot niya. Yung midsole. Ang ganda. Okay, next. 5 minutes pace to 4 minutes pace. Okay, let's go. Wow! Okay. Okay, guys. At that pace, yung 5 minutes to 4 minutes pace, ang ganda ng midsole niya. Very, very responsive, bouncy, and quality yung midsole niya. Nafe-feel ko na hindi siya sumasagad. Kaya pag every landing ko, bumabalik agad siya. Okay, very, very bouncy at fast pace. Okay, so kanino ko kanino ko ma-recommend, okay? So, guys, pag sa mga beginners, ma-recommend ko to as your daily trainer. If you only want one shoes for every training that you'll be doing, like easy runs, intervals, and first few fun runs nyo, like 3K, 5K, 10K fun runs nyo, pwedeng-pwede to. Kasi for long runs, malambot yung midsole niya. Tamang-tama, gentle yung cushioning niya. Not too soft and not too firm. Balanced, okay? And for your intervals, very fast, responsive. Okay, very high ang rebound nung midsole niya. Maganda yung rocker niya for fast intervals. For racing, magaan yung weight niya for racing. Kaya okay na okay. Ngayon, for advanced runners, I recommend this as your tempo run shoes or your threshold run shoes. Kasi magaan siya, maganda yung rocker, fast ang rocker niya, very responsive ang midsole, very breathable. Okay? So, for its price, napakasulit nito as a daily trainer. Okay? So, if you want to check other colors, may ibang colors dyan, check nyo yung sizing nyo. Again, follow your US size. Okay? And then, kung may questions kayo, paki-comment lang and I'll answer them. Okay? Okay. Thank you.